We had to get out of the desert. It was going to be close to 100, so we went up north. Merry Christmas, everybody. I still got quartzite dirt in my shoes. Yeah, because there's nothing that... So, I like that paint job. Good job. I think this might be out of our budget. This is where I want to be. You know. Anybody out there that wants to sell me their log cabin house in the trees up here? And we came up here because down where we were staying on BLM, it was going to be 95 up to 97 degrees with no trees, and I need trees, so we drove and like I said, I don't know where here is, but it's pretty. Sounds like they're having children for dinner up there. Ooh. That's what she said.
This is what I'm talking about.
Well, this is being renovated. Maybe they're selling it. So, the whole reason why we're van lifing isn't to van life forever. We're trying to find property. We're gonna get lost in here. I'm not kidding.
It's get dark.
I don't know if we have cell signals up here. Yeah, we got cell.
This is so cute.
Trying to get 10,000.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Happy birthday, Diggy. He would have been 16 today. So this is for sale.
Oh my god. That's a little too big for us.
It's got a crick. I like this house. It's curvy. Okay, I don't want to get lost up here. I think that's Bigfoot. I have a feeling we'll be living in the van longer than I thought. Right? Clubhouse, country club. It's going to be expensive. Yep. Good job. Good job, pup. Good job. Everybody, we're walking through. It's really just passing through. We're just passing. Oh, I hear another one. It's like walking through Hermosa.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Hey, pups. Okay, we're gonna have to walk back through this dog gauntlet. Yep. Somewhere in there would be nice. We need trees. Wow.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Shade.
Yeah. I don't know if I'd rather have an acre in the desert for the same price as a piece of property up here that's half an acre for the same price. I'd take this. But everybody's on top of each other here. I would like some space. Hey, do you remember us? It'd be nice to have space between the houses and your own land. Watch out, cars coming. So anyways, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. This is a nice place. It's the place to be. It's my first boar sighting.